Let's get to cooking. I'm tired. It's 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. and I decided I wanted to cook a video or make a video. So we're gonna see. I'm trying something new. I want to do like a chicken Alfredo fried rice, my version of it. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go see. And our chicken here has been dry brining. So the dry brine is we basically just let it sit and just dry out the moisture so you can have a crispier skin. So we're gonna put some salt. I got chicken thighs because they're a little more flavorful, have a little more juice to them. So I got some salt, pepper. I'm tired. And a little bit of that 21 seasoning. Boom. That's my go-to seasoning. And I'm adding a little bit of Italian seasoning to it. So, the beauty about this, if you don't know how to make chicken Alfredo, you just need to leave. Chicken Alfredo is like the easiest thing we can make. So, one of the things is that what I want to do is I want to incorporate the sauce in the fried rice, but also not make the fried rice mushy, but also have a nice little Alfredo taste to it. So we're going to see how we're going to do this. A little bit of that bacon grease, a tablespoon of butter. We're going to add our chicken in there. It's going to be nice cooked through the chicken thighs. So in the same pot, some more garlic. I said garlic, I meant butter. We're gonna add in some garlic. So we're doing like a garlic butter fried rice. For the heat of it, we're gonna add some chili crisps to it because I don't have any more red pepper. So like a tablespoon of that. Add just a few drops of soy sauce. So for those who's been watching my video, I'm gonna make my famous Alfredo sauce. Some garlic. You're gonna add your heavy cream to it. Not gonna make that much. Season it with a little salt, a pepper. As we're stirring, we're gonna add in our Parmesan cheese. Let that melt. Okay, add it in, add it in, add it in. Not gonna use it all in. Now we just stir. But fun fact, if you buy regular shredded cheese from the store, it's been proven that it has wax in the shredded cheese. I don't know where the, oh, I added pepper. I was about to say, I don't know where the black specks come from. So then we're gonna turn it down and we're gonna add some more cheese to it. And I'm gonna save a little bit for the garnishing. That's done. To the fried rice. You're gonna have to stay with me with here. Drench it to make it like creamy, but we just want to add just a little bit to it. So I'm adding just a little bit to it. So I'm adding that a little bit to it. Now we're just gonna let it. I think I can add a little bit more actually to it. That's it. So incorporate it, but also let it still have its fried rice essence. So now I feel like it's incorporated enough. I'm gonna cut it off. Yo, this is scary. So think of it like fried rice, so you feel it. Oh my God, I'm speechless right now. So think of like fried rice, where it's like the crunchiness, the greasiness of fried rice, but then it's bow. You get hints of like creamy Parmesan cheese, and it's like, but it's not too much to like mess up the fried rice, but you still taste it. It's like a look. Oh, this is, I could eat this just like this. That fried rice. Oh, I wish you guys can smell it. Gonna put our chicken on top. We're gonna pour our cheese sauce over it. Oh, a few specks of green onion. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad. I'm really excited to try this. So excited. So let's give it a nice try. Fire. Hold up. And it was a 30-minute meal. Hold up. Just want to say, hats off to me, because this is probably the greatest thing I've ever made. And I probably say it a lot. I was scared about making this because I wasn't sure if the flavors was gonna play well with each other. It's like the saltiness and the greasiness of the fried rice, and like the fried rice, it's not too overpowering, or the creaminess of the cheese and the creaminess of the Alfredo sauce meshes so well together. And it's like a salty umami. It's like a double play on salt-ish. It's like salt and creaminess, where it's like two different types of like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but when I tell you, it like, it plays really well with each other, where it's not like, oh, it's too much overpowering, too many flavors. No, like they balance. It's like that game where it's like, and you try to get it to correlate with each other. That's literally what it tastes like. Oh, this is fire, dog. If you guys haven't, thank you for watching, man. Please like and subscribe, and please make this. I promise you, it's fire.